You don't need the most expensive sewing machine to start. You need the one that won't fight you while you learn. Today, I'm counting down the 7 best introductory sewing machines that make beginners feel capable fast. Number 7. Singer M2105. The M2105 is the definition of simple and lightweight, and if you're the kind of beginner who gets overwhelmed by too many dials, it can feel calming. It focuses on the essentials with a small stitch set, and it's designed to be portable, so it's easy to pull out, sew for 20 minutes, and put away again. Singer positions it as a basic machine with a straightforward stitch selection experience, which is exactly the mindset you want on day one. When I first sat down with it, I treated it like a training wheels machine: straight seams, basic zigzags, and practice on scrap cotton. The M2105 includes 8 essential stitches and a 4-step buttonhole, so you can still learn core skills like seam finishing and basic garment construction without needing a manual open beside you the whole time. In practice, it's perfectly fine for hemming pants, making pillowcases, or learning to stitch in a zipper with patience. Now for the honest part. That limited stitch selection is a double-edged sword. If you're the type who gets hooked quickly, like you finish 2 projects and suddenly want stretch stitches, nicer decorative options, or more control, this machine can start to feel small very fast. The 4-step buttonhole works, but as a beginner you'll notice it takes more attention and more testing on scraps to get it looking clean. Another thing I noticed while testing is that the preset stitch length and width approach can be both helpful and restrictive. Helpful because fewer settings mean fewer mistakes. Restrictive because when you want to fine-tune tension, stitch length, or fabric behavior, you may find yourself wishing for more adjustability and a more premium feel. It's not bad, it's just clearly built to get you started rather than grow with you for years. Number 6. Baby Lock Zest. The Baby Lock is another beginner-friendly mechanical option, and it's built around the idea of no-fuss sewing. It's lightweight and easy to carry, which is great if your sewing space is your dining table or if you're taking classes and need something portable. It comes with 15 built-in stitches, including a 4-step buttonhole, so you get a little more variety than the ultra-basic machines. When I tested the Zest on basic cotton and simple craft fabric, it felt straightforward, in a good way. The stitch selection covers the normal beginner needs, and you can do things like basic mending, simple garments, and beginner projects without feeling like the machine is overcomplicated. It also includes a front-loading bobbin and free arm capability, which makes it easier to sew sleeves, cuffs, and small tube-shaped items. That said, I want to be a bit critical here because a lot of beginners buy a machine like this and assume it'll handle everything. The Zest is designed to be simple. That simplicity can mean you'll do more manual figuring it out, especially when you move from stable woven cotton to tricky fabrics or thick seams. It's not built to be a heavy-duty powerhouse, so the moment you start stacking layers or pushing speed, you'll notice the limits. Also, while the 4-step buttonhole is totally usable, it's still a 4-step process. As a new sewer, you'll probably do what I did: make one buttonhole you love, then the next one looks slightly different, and now you're adjusting and testing again. That's not a deal breaker, but it can be frustrating if you're trying to finish a project quickly. 5. Singer Simple 3232. The Singer Simple is where things start feeling more rounded for a beginner who wants options without going full computerized. It offers 32 built-in stitches, covering basic, stretch, and decorative choices, so you can actually explore different fabrics and styles as you learn. It also includes a 1-step buttonhole and a built-in needle threader, which sounds small until you've rethreaded a needle 25 times in a row. In my testing, the 3232 hit a sweet spot. It feels like a learning machine that doesn't punish you for experimenting. I used it for basic hemming, some light decorative stitching on scrap fabric, and a simple knit test where the stretch stitches help prevent popped seams. Having the stitch variety lets you make beginner projects look cleaner, especially when you can choose a stitch meant for the fabric instead of forcing everything with a straight stitch. The one-step buttonhole is a big quality of life upgrade over four-step systems. When I tried buttonholes on the same fabric multiple times, the results were more consistent because the machine is designed to sew the whole thing in one continuous process once you set it up properly. If you're planning to sew shirts, simple dresses, or anything with closures, this alone can reduce stress. What surprised me most is how much the built-in needle threader helps you stay in the flow of sewing. Beginners lose momentum when setup feels fiddly, and the 3232 reduces that friction. It also works nicely as a family machine, simple enough for a new sewer, but with enough features that someone more experienced won't immediately hate using it. Number 4. Brother XR3774. The Brother is a beginner favorite for a reason. It's the I want to sew and maybe quilt starter machine. It includes 37 built-in stitches and a one-step auto-size buttonhole, plus beginner-friendly features like an automatic needle threader and a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. And yes, this one commonly comes with a wide table, which makes a real difference when you're guiding bigger pieces of fabric. When I tested it, the first thing I noticed was how quickly it gets you from unboxing to sewing. The top drop-in bobbin system makes loading easier to see and manage, and the automatic needle threader reduces that annoying "why won't the thread go through" moment. For a beginner, this is huge. Fewer interruptions means more practice, and practice is what builds skill. The XR3774 also feels like it nudges you into more advanced projects without demanding advanced skills. I tried straight seams, basic garment stitches, and some quilting style seams, and the stitch selection gives you enough variety to learn technique, like blind hems and decorative top stitching, without feeling like you're choosing from 600 confusing icons. It's a good balance of variety and clarity. The wide table is where this machine quietly wins. When you're working on curtains, quilt blocks, or any larger fabric, the extra support helps prevent drag and pulling, which can throw off stitch consistency. A beginner often blames themselves when fabric drifts, but sometimes the machine setup is the real issue. This accessory helps. If you want one machine that can handle everyday sewing while letting you explore quilting and bigger projects, the XR3774 earns its spot. It's approachable, but it doesn't feel like a dead-end purchase. 3. Brother ST371HD. The Brother is built for beginners who already know they're going to sew tougher materials, or at least thicker stacks, like denim hems, canvas-style bags, or heavy seams. Brother describes it as a strong and tough machine with 37 built-in stitches and a one-step buttonhole, plus features like an automatic needle threader and a quick-set drop-in top bobbin. A standout detail is the metal needle plate, designed for smoother fabric feeding. In my testing, this machine felt more confident when the fabric got less forgiving. I ran it through basic cotton first, then moved into thicker layers, and the feeding stayed steadier than what you typically get from lightweight starter machines. It's still a beginner-friendly layout, mechanical, not overly computerized, but it feels like it's meant to be used hard. The stitch set is broad enough to cover everyday sewing and mending, and the included utility stitches are what most beginners actually use. I also like that it has a free arm, because hemming sleeves and pant legs is one of those real-life skills that makes sewing immediately useful. And the drop feed feature opens the door to free motion sewing techniques when you're ready to experiment. Where it shines is confidence. If you're the type of beginner who doesn't want to baby your machine, the ST371HD feels like it can take more of a beating. It's not a miracle machine, needle choice and technique still matter, but it's more forgiving when your project gets thick or awkward. If your beginner journey includes denim, outdoor fabric, or I want to mend and build practical stuff, this is one of the smartest picks on the list. It's beginner-friendly, but it's not fragile. 2. Brother CS7000X. The Brother is for beginners who want modern convenience and room to grow, especially if quilting is even remotely on your radar. It includes 70 built-in stitches and multiple one-step auto-size buttonhole styles, plus an LCD display, an automatic needle threader, a jam-resistant quick-set drop-in top bobbin, and a wide table. In the box, you also get a strong set of accessories, including multiple presser feet aimed at sewing and quilting. When I tested it, the computerized beginner experience made sense immediately. The LCD and stitch selection remove a lot of guesswork. Rather than wondering if your dial is between two settings, you're picking a stitch with clarity. I also love having adjustable speed control as a learner because you can cap the top speed and focus on steering fabric instead of panic stomping the pedal. The stitch variety is more than most beginners need on day one, but here's the key. It stops you from outgrowing the machine quickly. I used it for basic construction seams, buttonholes, and some decorative stitches just to test consistency, and it felt like it could scale from my first hem to I'm making gifts and home decor without needing replacement. The wide table makes it feel stable on larger pieces, and the included feet add value because you can try different techniques without buying extras immediately. A walking foot and quilting-friendly accessories can make thick layers and quilt sandwiches easier to manage, which is usually where beginners struggle with shifting fabric. It's the kind of machine that helps you learn faster because it reduces common friction points. 1. Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. The Stylist 9960 is the upgrade tier pick that still works for ambitious beginners, especially if you want a machine you can grow into rather than replace. Singer highlights it for having 600 built-in stitches and strong convenience features like an automatic needle threader and an LCD screen. And importantly, it offers one-step buttonholes with multiple buttonhole styles, which is the kind of feature that makes finished projects look polished. In my testing, this was the first machine in the lineup that felt like it actively supports creative momentum. When you want to try something new, top stitching, decorative borders, nicer hems, or cleaner closures, the machine has the stitch library and precision options to back you up. Singer notes 25 needle positions for straight stitching, which matters for techniques like edge stitching, piping, and zipper work, where alignment is everything. The buttonhole experience is also where this machine feels premium. With one-step buttonholes and multiple buttonhole styles, you can match the buttonhole to the garment and fabric instead of forcing a one-size-fits-all look. As a beginner, that's the difference between this looks homemade and wait, you made that. And here's the open-loop payoff. This didn't feel like beginner gear anymore because of how much range you get before you hit a ceiling. With 600 stitches, you're not buying stitches, you're buying time. Time before you outgrow it, time before you feel limited, and time before you need a second machine for creativity. If you're serious about sewing as a long-term skill, the 9960 can be your first machine and still be relevant when your projects get more advanced. Final thought, that's all for today, folks.